Make $175 every single day with a brand new and free app. Yup, you heard us right. $175 per day, plus it's available to everyone from all around the world from their phone or computer. So if you don't have a computer, then you can use your phone, and if you don't have a phone, then you can do this on your computer. Meaning this app isn't just quick, easy, and fast. It's also hassle-free and convenient because you can take it with you absolutely anywhere. It's free, which means you won't need to invest anything or pay anything just so you can try it. And you know that we only like giving you free methods so that you can start earning right away. We are going to be teaching you all of the tips and tricks, and we're going to be walking you through this whole process so that you can make the most money possible. It's a new method that no one's ever really talked about before, and as soon as we discovered it, we knew that we had to share with you guys because we want you to make money like this right away. Although this method is very easy, you still need to pay close attention and really follow along as to not miss anything that might be very important. In a few moments, you're going to learn the best method of your life, and you can trust that you definitely won't regret finishing this whole video. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our method for today is called Point Club, and to get to their website, all you need to type in is pointclub.com, and this is where you should be led to. The best place to earn cash, taking online surveys, and more. Right away, you can see that if you sign up, you can earn a $5 bonus. Now, isn't that great? $5 just to sign up? Imagine how much you could actually be earning when you're really working here. So let's just jump right into it. So the sign up process, all you need to do is look at this right side of your screen, and you can start signing up right here. And to do so, you can actually sign up with either your Facebook or your Google account, but if you want to start from completely scratch, then just provide them with the sign up details being asked. First name, last name, your email address, your password, and then you re-enter your password again. Agree to the terms and privacy, confirm you aren't a robot, and click on register, and boom, you're going to be brought to this page right here, where you're obviously just going to continue filling up what they're asking. Your gender, birth date, home address, mobile number, but that's optional, and then click continue. Now you should find yourself on your dashboard, and right away we want you to click on offer board right here. And as soon as you click on that, and then right away, this is what you're going to see next. So as you can see here, you can earn anywhere from 320 points to 3,500 points, which by the way are a lot of points. And what this is going to do is that you're basically going to want to create a second email account, and all you want to do is hit on these buttons, which will take you to the site. And all you're going to do is submit your information, which would be your name and email address. And this is why we suggest you create a different email address just for these sites, because you're obviously going to be receiving a lot of emails, and we're sure that you wouldn't want that going into your main and personal email account. So that's one easy way to earn a couple of $100 with this method. And as you can see, there are a ton of offers for you on here, and you can literally try each and every single one of them, which will guarantee you more money, of course. So we feel like, and we know that that's the fastest way to get your income, kinda get started and running. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below, and then let us know what you're loving about the channel so far. Now let's continue. You can also go back to the mission launchers right here, and as you can see, there are a lot of points yet again that you can get from here. From 400 points to 1,000 points. It even tells you what these missions are and how long they're going to take you, and everything is basically under 30 minutes, so you can keep doing this over and over and over again and actually earn pretty consistently. These ones obviously take longer than what we showed you before this, but then again, it's money and no one really complains when it comes to making money. Isn't that so? Now, we want you to click on Point Back right here, and that's going to show you, after some time of doing surveys and tasks and missions, how much points you've already accumulated. And when you click on Choose Your Goal, where you can see some of the points exchange rate is US dollars. So for example, 25,000 points will earn you $25. Up until 100,000 points, that's going to exchange to $100. And gaining points on here would be very quick. Literally in a day, you can probably make 100,000 points. And because of how easy the tasks are, and they will only take you less than 30 minutes, maybe even only 10 minutes of work, so there really isn't much to lose, especially if you have so much time on your hands. So as you can see, you can also choose your goal, and if you click on choose from the catalog, it's going to show you other kinds of rewards. So if there are rewards you want aside from cash, you can literally find it on here. You can earn anything, no matter how much, just from this method alone, which we think is pretty smart. And the fact that not much people know about this yet is just absolutely insane, because this is such a great opportunity that people are missing out on. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So those are basically some of the things that you can do on this website that can make you earn money. It's very easy and quick to accumulate points, and if you're able to earn 100,000 points a day, or maybe even 200,000 points in a day, and then that will literally only take you a few hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours to make that many points. That's $100 to $200 every single day. And all you'll need to do is sit on your computer, click a few stuff, type a few stuff, give some hours, like 3 hours, and boom, money just like that, straight into whatever payment method that you'd like. Making money these days has become especially hard to do, so when you're able to come across a method as easy as this one, it's definitely a steal, and we're sure that you do not want to miss it. So that's everything for today's method. Make sure you give it a go and let us know in the comments down below how that goes for you. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.